In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh Quick Add on Snapchat. So Quick Add suggests people that you may know, like mutual friends, contacts, or people in shared groups. So first of all, but sometimes of course it's like the list gets stuck or shows the same users. So if you want basically to refresh it, you have a lot of options. Method one is to clear cache. If you go, as example, to your Snapchats and click on your profile or Bitmoji at the top left, basically in here you can go and click on the gear icon. On this gear icon as example, you can go and scroll down, keep scrolling until you find, as example, the option clear data, as you can see. So normally you find my account, additional services, and you'll on privacy controls, you'll find clear data. And clear data, make sure to not clear data, just go and click on clear cache. All of the cache will be cleared and Snapchats will restart your memories and backups won't be deleted. So just go and click on clear cache. And as you can see, Snapchats need to restart. So just go and close it and open it up again. So example, now you do have it. As an example, you can go to your Quick Add and the list should be like changed. Other than that, you can go, as example, to the settings again. So another method, this, and you can go and sync your contacts, as example. So you go here, keep scrolling until you find contacts. And here, example, you can see the contact shared with Snapchat. And here, basically, you'll be able to see them. For me, I'll not be able to see them because I did not allow this when I was creating, as example, or when I was logging into my account. And this basically will, if you go here, as example, and see it, you'll be able to turn off, as example, no, not this. You'll be able, as example, to remove the sync contacts from Snapchat, as example, if you want to. And this basically will just force Snapchat to recheck your phone contacts, as example, if you turn it off, then turn it on, especially if you're stuck with the same people. And yeah, other than that, in like the quick add like option, so let me just go quit settings here. Let's just click this quit this as well. So now, as example, you can go ahead and click on chat. Normally, example, I'll not be able to do it unless I give it access. So let's just give it access so it don't keep bothering us. So let's just go and give it like full access. Why not? So allow full access. Just go back to the apps. And yeah, and just go back here. So in here, example, the quick add nodes example. Let me just go to camera here, click on the plus button, and we'll basically find a lot of people. So now you should definitely find like a new people on quick adds, especially as example if you did what we talked about. An example, the last option that I told you about, which is like the contacts option. So example here in contacts, where you'll be able to see like your contacts, as you can see, here's it all. So you can remove like sync contacts from Snapchat, click on the like blue option and click on confirm. And simply just go and remove it, remove access, reset Snapchat, and simply give access back. So this will definitely reset like the quick add as well. Other than that, if you go and click on your Bitmoji again at the top, if you scroll down here to friends, if you click on add friends, as an example, sometimes it gets annoying, like with the amount of people that you see again and again. So you can keep clicking on X on the people that you don't want to see again. So I don't know, maybe I don't want to see this guy again, so just go and click on X, click on X. You don't care about the reason. If you want to choose like, I don't know this guy or something like that, it is totally up to you. But if you don't, just keep like going through it. And maybe I don't like this guy, just go and click on X. Maybe this guy as well, maybe this guy as well. Of course, you can also like do I don't know this person, so it will not show again on the quick add. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.